$800. If this is your budget to build the best gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show the best PC components that money can buy under $800. Let's get started. For the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600. This one costs around $139. Now with that price, it's an excellent budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, I've chosen the ASRock B550 Pro. This one costs around $121. Now with that price, you are going to get an ATX motherboard along with 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD support, which is currently the fastest on the market, and pretty decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. Then come the main components of a gaming PC build, the graphics card, and here we are using the XFX RX 6700 XT. This one costs around $389. Now this is an excellent powerful gaming graphics card. In this price, you can basically play games at 1440p resolution with high to ultra settings very easily and smoothly, and also you can try 4K gaming, so it's an excellent deal in this price. Then for the RAM, we are using the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB. This one costs around $44. These are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy, and also those RAMs are very reliable and comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, we are using the Team Group MP33 1TB. This one costs around $51. In my most of the PC build guide, I am recommending this SSD because you are going to get an 1TB Zen 3 SSD with up to 1800 Mbps for only $51. It's an excellent deal. Then for the power supply, we are using Thermaltake Tough Power 650. This one costs around $89. Now this is an 80+ gold certified power supply, which is excellent, and also it is a fully modular power supply, which means you can detach all the unnecessary cable, so your cable management will be excellent. And last but not least, it comes with 10-year plus warranty, so an excellent deal. And finally, casing is completely up to you, by whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $838. Thanks for watching.